Good evening, students. There are only 10 participants right now, so let's wait for more participants and we will start in say 5 minutes. So guys, I am preparing for the LIFO method. Even if we are going for a LIFO method, the format will be same.
मैम वो सेकंड वाले का तुमने ये नहीं भेजा?
हाँ, मैं कल सुबह तक भेजती हूँ आपको.
हाँ ठीक है.
नो प्रॉब्लम. मतलब क्या होगा, LIFO का भी आप सेम प्रॉब्लम वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व बाय ऑल द मेथड्स. अभी आपके पास 2 प्रॉब्लम्स है. एम आई राइट? सो एक प्रॉब्लम मैं अभी क्लास में लूंगी. जो एडिशनल प्रॉब्लम सुबह भेजा था वो प्रॉब्लम आप फिर से LIFO मेथड से करो. So what I'll do when I'll send the Excel sheet, it will have all the solutions. One problem, first problem by FIFO method, LIFO method, and weighted average method. Same way, the second problem also by all the 3 methods. Is that clear to you, beta?
Yes मैम.
Okay, so let's start with uh, the LIFO method. So now I am going to use the same problem, the problem which we have solved in the morning for understanding the FIFO method. Now let's solve the LIFO. LIFO stands for last in, first out. मतलब the material which is arrived recently, we will issue that material in the first case. Am I right? जो मटेरियल लास्ट में हमारे स्टोर में आया है, we will issue that material in the first place. Is that clear to you guys? चलो अभी सॉल्व करते हैं. 1st February 2018, on 1st February 2018, we have purchased around 500 tons of material at the rate of 2 rupees per ton. No opening stock, so I am directly writing the purchase. Purchase. How much? 500 tons at 2 rupees, which is amounting to 500 into 2. Same way, we will write the closing balance also. 500 into 2. So on this day, the transaction is done. Now this is the time to move to the next day, which is the 10th of February. And what it says, again on 10th of February, we have purchased the material of around 300 tons. So let's enter on 10th of February. Again, there is purchase. कितना purchase किया भाई? 300 tons at the rate of 2.1, which is amounting to 300 into 2.1. अभी जरा गौर कीजिए. This is very important aspect when you are working on LIFO method. पहले से ही हमारे पास 500 टन है at the rate of 2, which is amounting to 1000. उसके बाद we have purchased 300 tons at the rate of 2.1, amounting to 300 into 2.1. लेकिन याद रखना, at the time of issue, now we are using the LIFO method. जो last आया वही पहले first बाहर जाएगा, issue होगा. So here we will give the first rank to the element, to the material which has come in the last, and we will give the second rank to the element which we already have in the stores. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि जब मुझे इशू करना है तो मैं पहले जिसको फर्स्ट रैंक दिया है, जो लेटेस्ट है, उससे इशू करूंगी, एंड देन आई विल इशू द सेकंड, जिस लॉट को मैंने सेकंड रैंक दिया है, जो पहले से ही पड़ा है मेरे पास. लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट में रैंकिंग उल्टा हो जाएगा. जो लेटेस्ट है उसको मैं रैंक 1 दूंगी, और जो जैसे जैसे पुराना होता जाएगा वैसे वैसे मैं उसको आगे वाला रैंक दूंगी. ये समझ में आया बच्चों चीज? दिस इज द ओनली डिफरेंस, बाकी सब सेम ही होगा. समझ में आया बच्चों?
यस मैम.
ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग. अभी क्या हुआ? 12th of February को we need to issue 600 tons. 12th February, there is an issue of 600 tons. लेकिन कैसे करेंगे? अभी देखिए, we need 600 tons. लेकिन जिसको फर्स्ट रैंक दिया है उस लॉट में सिर्फ 300 टन है एट द रेट ऑफ 2.1. मतलब ये पूरा का पूरा हमने यूज किया. फिर भी हमें और 300 टन की जरूरत है, क्योंकि इन टोटल वी नीड 600 टन. सो लेटेस्ट जो लॉट आया था 300 टन का, वो यूज किया. नाउ वी आर विड्रॉइंग 300 टन फ्रॉम द ओल्ड लॉट एट द रेट ऑफ ₹2. ये बात समझ में आ गई आपको? सो ये रैंक 1 से यूज किया पहले, एंड ये रैंक 2 से. ये बात समझ में आ गई आपको बच्चों?
यस मैम.
ओके, नाउ लेट्स एंटर दिस. पहले 300 टन्स इशू करना है एट द रेट ऑफ 2.1 एंड उसके बाद रिमेनिंग 300 टन्स again at the rate of 2. So the amount will be this. ये तो पूरा खत्म हो गया. Now the closing balance will be 500 minus 300 at the rate of 2 amounting to 400. Absolutely right. So 12 फरवरी का ट्रांजैक्शन यहाँ खत्म हुआ. Now let's go to the next date. 15 फरवरी को क्या हुआ? There is a purchase of 400 tons at the rate of 2.2. Now we will enter the purchase figure simply by calling it as a purchase. कितना purchase किया है भाई?
400 ton.
400 ton at the rate of 2.2 and the amount is 400 into 2.2 comes to 880 rupees. अभी देखिए, we already have 200 tons at the rate of 2, right? In from the previous batch. So we will write as it is here 200 into 2. Then we will write the information about the new consignment 2.2 400 into 2.2. लेकिन जैसे कि हम LIFO मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं, रैंक 1 देंगे जो कंसाइनमेंट अभी अभी आई है, जो अभी अभी परचेस किया है उसको रैंक 1 देंगे और पुराने वाले को सेकंड रैंक देंगे. नाउ लेट्स क्लोज दिस. ठीक बॉर्डर करके ये ट्रांजैक्शन हमने क्लोज कर दिया, राइट? यहाँ तक हो गया बच्चों आपका?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. नाउ लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट. इशू है, कितना है? 300 टन्स का इशू है ऑन द 18th फरवरी. इशू 300 टन्स का है और अगर आप देखोगे लेटेस्ट कंसाइनमेंट में वी हैव 400 टन्स, so we can safely issue 300 tons out of 400 tons. So the rate will be 2.2. So the thing is 300 into 2.2. So the balance is 200. वो पहले का कैरी करना ही पड़ेगा हमें. And then 400 minus 300 at the rate of 2.2. So it will be 100 into 2.2. But यहाँ पे रैंक कैसे देंगे? फिर से 100 टन्स को रैंक जाएगी फर्स्ट, क्योंकि वो सबसे करंटली आया है, और रैंक 2 जाएगा 200 टन को जो पहले से पड़ा है हमारे पास. नाउ वी विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट डेट, दैट इज 20th February. We have purchased 500 tons on 20th February at the rate of 2.10 per ton. So on 20th February, there is a purchase of 500 tons at the rate of 2.1 amounting to 500 into 2.1. अभी यहाँ पे already we have 2 old consignment. Now please pay attention how we will write the stock. First, we will write the previous stock as it is. Then सबसे नीचे हम नई कंसाइनमेंट लिख देंगे और रैंकिंग अभी चेंज होगा. कैसे? जो नया है, सबसे नया है, उसको हम 1 रैंक देंगे. देन जो जिसको हमने प्रीवियस ट्रांजैक्शन में रैंक 1 दिया था उसको अभी हम रैंक देंगे नंबर 2. एंड सबसे पुराना है उसको हम रैंक देंगे नंबर 3. नाउ we will close this transaction as the purchase is recorded and the closing stock is also recorded. Even here we have given the ranks also as per the maturity. जो सबसे नया है उसको 1 दिया, जो थोड़ा पुराना था उसको 2 दिया और जो सबसे पुराना है उसको 3 दिया. Now on the 25th of February, जो last है 25th of February 2018, there is an issue. लेकिन कितना है 200 यूनिट इशू किए हैं. 200 टन्स जो हमारा सबसे नया कंसाइनमेंट है जिसको हमने 1 रैंक दिया है. वी हैव सफिशिएंट अमाउंट इन द फर्स्ट कंसाइनमेंट टू इशू 200 टन्स. सो 500 में से we will issue 200 tons at the rate of 2.1 amounting to 420. अभी यहाँ पे देखिए बैलेंस कैसे लिखेंगे. जो पहले 2 लॉट्स हैं वो वैसे के वैसे लिखेंगे क्योंकि उसमें से कुछ यूज ही नहीं किया हमने, राइट. एंड द पेंडिंग थिंग इज 500 minus 200, the rate will be the same and the balance will be 630. So now we are getting the closing balance changes as per the method change. और फिर से यहाँ पे हमें रैंकिंग करनी पड़ेगी. जो लेटेस्ट है उसको 1 देंगे, उसके बाद जो थोड़ा पुराना है उसको 2 देंगे and then we will give the third rank to the oldest element. Guys, any questions on the LIFO? जो हमने सुबह सीखा था FIFO, उससे करेक्ट उल्टा LIFO है, बाकी कुछ नहीं. ये सिर्फ रैंक आपको उल्टे करने हैं और इशू करना है. कोई दिक्कत है इसमें LIFO मेथड में? समझ में आया गाइस पक्का?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Actually, we are having ample of time, so can we complete the weighted average method also? That is the last part of this topic. It's very simple. मतलब आपको FIFO LIFO में रैंकिंग भी तो करना पड़ता है, वेटेड एवरेज में कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता. सीखे? 2 मिनट का काम है सिर्फ.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, थैंक यू. It's a weighted average method. फॉर्मेट सेम है, सेम फॉर्मेट कॉपी कीजिएगा. Just let me know once you are done with the format. So weighted average method. Are you done with the format, guys? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start? Again we will use the same problem. Same problem. तो आपको तुरंत समझ में आएगा कि जैसे आपकी मेथड चेंज होती है वैसे आपका क्लोजिंग स्टॉक चेंज होता है. You may ask me कि why there are so many methods? Simple answer, it depends on the type of the product. For example, if you are dealing with the milk, if you are a milk vendor, आप जरा सोचिए to earn a good amount of profit आप कौन सी मेथड यूज करेंगे? FIFO मेथड या LIFO मेथड? FIFO है फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट, LIFO है लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट. योर प्रोडक्ट इज अ पेरिशेबल. ज्यादा देर आपके यहाँ पे रहा तो आपका बहुत बड़ा लॉस हो जाएगा. सो फॉर पेरिशेबल प्रोडक्ट्स, फॉर वेजिटेबल्स,
FIFO.
yes, we always use FIFO method. क्यों? जल्दी से जल्दी हमें स्टॉक क्लियर करना है. बट इफ यू आर in the gold, or in the jewelry business? कौन सी मेथड आपके लिए प्रॉफिटेबल होगी? लीफो डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि जितना पुराना सोना आपके पास रहेगा उतना आपके स्टॉक का वैल्यूएशन बढ़ते रहेगा. सो डेफिनेटली यू कैन गो फॉर मेथड टू बुक अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट, और उस पर आपको अच्छा खासा लोन भी मिल सकता है. Now let's talk about the weighted average method. Using the same problem, right? जो हम 1 फरवरी से 25 फरवरी तक सफर कर रहे हैं. I am using the same problem. So the first entry is same. 500 purchase किया. So I am taking the first entry as it is. कुछ अलग है ही नहीं उसमें. 500 टन परचेस किया 1 फरवरी को. Then there is a purchase of 300 tons again at the rate of 2.10. So let's enter 10 February 2018. There is a purchase of how much? 300 tons at the rate 2.1, which is amounting to 630. अभी यहाँ पे बहुत इजी चीज हम करने वाले. एवरेज रेट निकालना है, राइट? तो एवरेज रेट कैसे निकालेंगे? क्वांटिटी को क्वांटिटी ऐड करेंगे, अमाउंट को अमाउंट ऐड करेंगे, एंड वी विल कैलकुलेट द रेट. मतलब पहले 500 थे, अभी कितनी क्वांटिटी होगी? 500 प्लस 300. अमाउंट 1000 प्लस 630. what is the average rate? 1630 divided by quantity. So now the average rate is 2.0375. सिंपल है. रैंकिंग बिंकिंग कुछ जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि हम वेटेड एवरेज ही निकाल रहे हैं. सो नाउ अगर इशू आया तो इशू हम इसी रेट से करेंगे जो हमने अभी डिराइव किया. ये बात समझ में आ गई बच्चों आपको? ये कैसे निकाला? क्वांटिटी को क्वांटिटी ऐड किया, अमाउंट को अमाउंट ऐड किया. अगर इशू होता, हाँ
रिपीट करो ना एक बार.
ओके. पहले हमारे पास 500 थे, वो अमाउंट थी 1000. अभी जो नया कंसाइनमेंट लिया वो 300 टन्स का लिया, विच इज अमाउंटिंग टू 630. तो इसमें स्टॉक कैसे निकालेंगे? क्वांटिटी को क्वांटिटी ऐड करेंगे. 800 हो गया पूरा टोटल अवेलेबल, एंड द वैल्यू को वैल्यू ऐड करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल डिराइव द रेट. So the rate is 2.0375. समझ में आया पक्का?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's go to the next thing. 12 फरवरी को there is an issue of 600 tons. So on 12th of February there is an issue of how much? 600 tons. 800 tons हमारे पास है ही. So 600 tons issue करेंगे, and we will use this weighted average rate. 600 into 20375. अभी ध्यान दीजिए, we have issued. So यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? 800 minus 600, क्योंकि now we are not having 600 units in the store. उतनी वैल्यू भी कम करनी पड़ेगी. 1630 minus 1,222.5, and finally we will calculate the rate as well. Are you done with this line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go ahead. Now on 15th of February there is a purchase of 400 tons at the rate of 2.2. So let's write 15th February 2018 purchases of 400 tons at the rate of 2.2, which is amounting to nearly 880. Now this is a fresh purchase. So what we have to do, हमारा closing balance बढ़ने वाला है. So we have to add quantity to the quantity and value to the value. And then we will derive the new rate, that is value divided by quantity. So new weighted average rate will be 2.145833. परचेस होगा तो ऐड करेंगे, इश्यू होगा तो लेस करेंगे while deriving the balance. यहाँ तक हो गया? हेलो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now on 18th, there is an issue of 300 tons. So let's enter the thing, issue of 300 tons. We will use the same weighted average rate, 300 into 2.14. Issue है तो लेस करना पड़ेगा, क्वांटिटी में से क्वांटिटी लेस करेंगे, अमाउंट में से अमाउंट लेस करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल डिराइव the rate. Done? Are you done with this? 18th of February. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now on 20th February, again there is a purchase of 500 tons at the rate of 2.10. So 20th of February, purchase कितना है? 500 ton at the rate of 2.1. 500 into 2.1 comes to 1050. So what will be the closing balance? 300 plus 500 and 643 plus 1050 at the rate of weighted average of 2.117. Are you done with this? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Neha? Are you done with this? Okay. Now
Ma'am, can
let's
you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, yes. Actually, I have a bad connection network issue, so I missed in between, but I'll do that.
Okay, fine. So last thing is 25th of February, again there is an issue. So 25th 02/2018 date डालिए. There is an issue of how much? 200 tons. और हम रेट यूज करेंगे जो हमने डिराइव किया है at 2.1178. So we have recorded the last issue of the month, and let's close the store ledger by calculating the closing balance. As it is an issue, I am deducting issued quantity from existing quantity and issued value from existing value of the stock. So again here I have derived the stock, and we are done with the weighted average. It's simple. Yes, it's simple when you are doing it on Excel, but just imagine if you have to appear on paper exam, guys, you need to be very fast on the calculators, because Excel helps you a lot when you are doing the cost sheets, or when you are working on the inventory methods. So basically, if I'm not wrong, you are done with second problem by FIFO method. So this is a good time. We already have 30 minutes. So you can start solving the second problem by LIFO as well as weighted average method. I am keeping the LIFO method open before you. So on one hand, you can see the solved LIFO, the problem solved with the help of LIFO method. And on other hand, you can you can start solving the second problem. I am purposely saying कि please start solving on your own, because जितना वो easy लगता है ना समझने में, उतनी हम ज्यादा गलतियां करते हैं. So please start solving. Who will share the screen? Who is working on the laptop? And it's not about picking your doubts or pointing at you, but who will share the screen? Come on, be proactive. Who will share the screen, guys? Who will share the screen, guys? Come on. अरे सुनाई दे रहा है या नहीं दे रहा है? या safely ignoring me? It's okay to make mistakes also, but please have courage to share. Okay.
I'm today solving on book.
No problem. No problem. What about others? Just let me know if you are having any questions, any queries. I am available till 4:55, or not 4:55, it's 6:55. I am live. Yes, guys, any issues, any queries? It's kind of logical game. Yes, guys. I'm glad that everyone is solving. Really, I'm glad. The next purchase will be 200 and it will be, let me read. One doubt was there in the second problem. On the 8th Jan, we are issuing. You don't have to subtract, Akshay, by which method you are solving?
Ma'am, I was following by LIFO, but uh, when we on the 8th Jan, the issued quantity is greater than the purchased one. Means then the balance.
Then
There
the
will be
available.
150.
So you mean to say there is a
Yes,
shortage?
yes.
Let me check.
Yes, ma'am. So in that case, do we need to minus the rate also?
No. In that case, you have to issue whatever you are having in the balance. You cannot issue the things which you don't have.
Ma'am, on 8th January, suppose the issued balance will be 150 less. Means we will
Yeah,
be
I
under balance
understand. I
on
have
8th
opened
January.
the problem. I have opened the problem. So in that case, you need to issue only 50 quantity. And you have to put a remark at the end of the problem. There is a shortage of 150 units on the 8th of January. You know, guys, this is again a
Okay.
problem
And
from your question bank itself, and it's having a gross error. It's a gross error.
yes, ma'am. And on 9th January, then there is purchase of 200. So can we deduct that 200
No,
minus issue
no,
150 and
no,
50?
no need. No need to do that. It's a good
Okay.
question, actually.
Ma'am, actually, I've solved by that way only. I thought it's the right process, so I was asking something else.
Uh,
Ma'am, that means the question is wrong.
actually, it's a gross error. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होता. It's an
Okay,
error
ma'am.
in the question itself.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, most welcome. Okay, guys, I hope you are doing well with the problem. Tomorrow morning, I'll send all the solutions, of course, of the second problem, FIFO, LIFO, and weighted average method. So please check it once and make sure you have solved all the problems which I'm expecting that you are really solving. But time is not permitting us. It's around 6:57. So on this note, I am concluding today's lecture. Thank you for joining, and please continue with the next lecture. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
guys.
ma'am.
Thank
Ma'am,
you.
tomorrow also we have lecture, 6 o'clock.
Let me check, because already we have done with the content of chapter number 3. So I'm also thinking to take one day break.
Because-
You'll come to know.
Okay, because sir had sent one link for.
That's what
Six.
I'm thinking also, because we have completed the content one day early only. Because
Okay.
I have planned weighted average method for tomorrow, but you adopted the LIFO very at the faster rate. So I just thought let me complete the weighted average method also, so you guys will have one day break. So sounds good for you, I guess.
Yes, ma'am. We can practice more.
ठीक है. I'll talk to Anand sir, and he will inform you definitely. Okay.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys, and please do join the next lecture as well. Thank you.
Thank you.